Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Ghosty. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a pretty cool looking character, and it's actually very easy to draw. So to begin, we're going to draw in the overall head shape first. Which is just going to be one big circle. Okay, so that's the head shape, and then from here, just come to the middle of the circle. You can make a little dot, and then this is gonna be the nose, and it's gonna be the very top. So I'm gonna come down, just draw a small circle, and I'll shade that in real quick. Okay, and then come back to this, just go up slightly, make another point, and I'm gonna draw a bigger circle coming down. So this will give us a snout area. And then from here, we're gonna draw in his eyes. So just in between this space right here, let's draw a circle. And then now I'm gonna come across, and this one's got an eye patch. So just come across here. Instead of drawing a circle, I'm just gonna draw a square at an angle. So it's slanting this way. And then to finish up the eye patch, go from the center of this, just curve it up right over the eye. And then continue with this curve to this side of the eye patch and just round this down. So just one smooth curve. Alright, so now we can draw in the hat. So right above the eye right here, in the circle, just draw a little slant like this first. So that's gonna be the bottom of the hat. I'm just gonna extend it out. I know it's very messy, but this is gonna be all black. That's why I'm just gonna go ahead and draw in the lines. Okay, just go up this with a slant going out that way. Come in. And then from this space right here, just draw like a dome shape. Okay, and then one more detail up here. I'm not sure what this is, but just draw in a little bar. Okay, so it's really messy right now, so let me shade everything in. We'll cover up all these lines right here. It'll clean up everything. So if you don't want to shade it in and drawing with pencil, you can always just kind of erase out those lines on the inside. Okay, so that's the hat, and let me show you in the eye as well. And then of course the eye patch. Okay, so to finish up the head right here, we're gonna draw in the ear. So just right above this eye, you make a little point, and just come out to the side right here, make another point. So that's gonna be the beginning and the end point. And then from here, just draw a little curve going all the way around. Okay, so that's the head. So now let's come down to the body. So here's the shoulders. You make two little points. Just come down, make another point. This is gonna be the armpit. And then from here, just go in and then come back out. Okay, and then from the center here, you make a little point. Now just connect that with a curve. That's gonna give us the lower body. It doesn't have any legs. Okay, and then now for the arm. So right here's the shoulder. Round it out and just come down. And then here's the armpit. And then now on the ends right here, just go out on an angle. And then in the middle, another angle. Okay, so just go out one angle, two, and then whatever space you have here, another angle. And this one's kind of floating out a little bit, so just come down right here. Just draw one little arc. Come down this way. And then this is going to be the wrist right here. So here's the finger. Just gonna draw one little curve. That's gonna be the thumb. And then I'm gonna draw in the handle for the sword. And I'm gonna go out this way. Just draw two lines like this and just round it out. So that's gonna be the handle. So whatever slant you have drawn on for this is gonna be a slant for the sword. Okay, so I'm gonna come out here. Draw like a little bar, so it's almost like a little T shape here. And then for the rest of the hand, I'm just gonna draw one little curve here for the other fingers. Okay, and then now for the blade. So again, just continue with this line right here. Just gonna flare out slightly. And then on the top one, we'll curve this up. And then now we'll just come back down nice and sharp here and just connect to this. And that is it for this very cool looking Ghosty. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.